I've run the numbers and I pressed random numbers until it looked like I was doing something important.
Unsa na pud ni? Wa kay laing mabuhat?
Listen, my allowance is a joke. I'm so broke I've been rationing snacks like it's the end of the world. Last week I cried while eating instant noodles. Do you know how sad that is?
Ngano di ay? Naay rule nga dapat maghilak ka while kaon og noodles? Sige sunod, suwaye og parisan og sardinas para sosyal.
Sardinas? Mom, I'm trying to survive here, not audition for a disaster movie. I need a raise, double my allowance. It's basic economics. Economics.
Lisod gali kag litok. Economics? May pa economics pa ka. Unsa man imong nabuhat diri sa balay? Imo ra ganing gibili ng baso sa lababo? Gay mo gasi? Magdungag lang yun ka sa akong trabaho.
That's efficiency. I'm saving wood.
Pagkakaroon minus pa ka sa balay kaysa plus.
Minus, well, this is why I'm emotionally damaged. I deserve compensation for the trauma. Have you not heard of self-care?
Don't yeye me. Sus, wa pa lang ta sa Australia. Bunalan yun ka. Bunalan, mangyud ka na ako. Is that good behavior? Yelling at mommy? That good behavior? Ay, palimpyuhan ni mo among kwarto.
This isn't over. I'm starting a GoFundMe.
Oh, ay kalimti. Pila po ng bayad sa tubig o kuryente. Guys, please like, comment, and subscribe para dili taon mag-GoFundMe niya akong anak.